This person asks, could the supplies that they bought last year count as a write-off? And if so, how does that work?
Well, I think what they're asking, as I saw that question, I think they're saying they're getting ready to do their 22 taxes now in 23, and the supplies that they bought last year count. Absolutely. I mean, that's exactly what you can write off against your income. Most independent contractors are sole proprietors or LLCs, limited liability companies, and both of those forms of business, it just goes right onto your personal return.
Sure.
And if you use the Schedule C, there's a checklist on it, about 15 boxes on the front of it, of possible deductions. And you can just use that as a reminder of the things, and one of them is going to be supplies.
Gotcha.
On the back of that form, half of the form says other, and that's where you write off things like educational expenses, because it's not one of the 14 boxes, but it's completely legitimate. There's, again, half of the form is for other things that you spent money on in 2022 to earn money in 2022, and you shouldn't have to pay taxes on that amount when you file your 23 taxes. So absolutely that. Now, I thought when I first read that, maybe the person meant that could they deduct on their 23 taxes expenses from 2022, and that's possible, but that gets much more complicated. That'd be if you're maintaining an inventory. Usually it's the same year you spend the money, you get to write it off, and that's a great thing about most of these expenses.